Well, hey folks, welcome back to our portable generator project, and we're going to be working on things while we're waiting. We just want to say also thank you for the sponsor, for the help and the generosity of the people that assist us and help us, and we'll talk about that a little bit more later. Also, what we're going to do is we're going to create today, we're going to be putting in over here 4 vents. I have one, for example, already. So this way, when we have our fans situated at the bottom down here, they're both 60 mil fans, blowing when the thermistor hits a certain degrees, and it'll suck fresh air, because this is a sealed system. You can see it's all nice and sealed up here and everything. So let's go ahead, and me and the boys are going to drill the holes, and we're going to add them today. All right, boys, now remember I taught you. And what is this? The chuck?
Chuck.
And then, you know, it's automatic, right?
Auto chuck.
But if we didn't have an automatic one, what is that called?
The chuck key.
That's right. And you have to give it a nice little quarter twist or something to tighten it down, correct? Make sure that the drill bit don't come out. It's steady. Secondly, go ahead and make sure that this is pointing right on the little hole that I have marked for you. Okay? And then, of course, start it up and go in a nice speed. It'll catch for a second, and it's done. That was fast.
Slam into place.
Okay, Mr. C, let's come over here. Let's see how you do. Put the safety glasses on.
Which one, left or right?
This one right here.
Okay.
Go in front of me. Great. Okay, really use some force when you're pushing, because it's going to kick, okay? Go ahead. It's going to grab it really hard.
Right.
Fasten out. Push. It'll go through. Okay. Very good.
Thank you.
There we go. And Mr. J, here we go.
Glasses.
Okay, go ahead. Yep. And remember to push hard. Hard. Keep pushing. Keep pushing. Push.
Keep your hands away
Push. Push. There we go. Very good. Wonderful. Now what we need to do, come here boys, while I'm doing this, we need to make sure that all this little loose stuff is peeled off. It's not going to hurt you. Come on, Christy. Mr. C. And I'm going to get these little vents out.
section would be nice.
They all cleaned out? Is it all cleaned out? Pretty good. Not yet? Just the majority of it anyway, okay? If there's some scrawlers, it's okay. You can go on the inside too and take a look. You don't have to do it on the outside. There we go. And then what we're going to do is we're going to put ours in just like this. And then you'll have to push really pretty hard to get it to go in. Once it's in, you can come on to the other side and make sure the vents are all turned up, turned to the right way. Okay, I can get a wrench later to do that. Okay, go ahead and push yours.
Know which way
And push yours in, going downwards.
Okay.
Okay, this way, if the rain hits, what happens? It's going to roll off, right? Push it in, really good. Very good. Push real hard. Real hard.
Yep.
Real hard.
to go in.
This ain't so easy when you're working on an angle. There we go, boys. Anyway, the vents are in now. This is going to go ahead and scoop down, and it's going to sway down here.
Some more holes.
Kids, don't we say thank you to the generosity of people helping assist us
Yeah.
with this? We appreciate it.
Thank you.
And what did you want to say? If they would like to get you a candy bar or something, to go ahead and follow the link below.
Yeah.
All right, we sure appreciate the help. We're getting closer every day to getting this done. Y'all have a great day.
And charging a roll.